Everyone, welcome back. Katrina Lynn here, and today we're going to be doing something you may all be familiar with. This is a Nero Nero Ne Japanese do-it-yourself candy making kit. My cat's pretty interested, but he's going to have to sit this one out. The directions on this look pretty clear. It looks like we're going to snap the corner off of the little plastic container inside, and then we're going to completely fill that little scoop with water. I've got my water right here, and then we're going to take, looks like the light green packet, and add the water, and then put the dark green packet in the same one, and then repeat that with the light red packet, and then add the dark red one. It should give us these two flavors, lemon and strawberry Nero Nero Ne. This is one of my absolute favorite do-it-yourself Japanese candy kits. These are so delicious. You would not believe how delicious these pots of goo are. You'd have to try it in real life. Let's cut this bad boy open. Let's see what we have in here. Woo! All right. So we've got our packets, we've got our spoons. Looks like we've got the little corner ready to detach. There we go. And this is now the little scoop that we'll use to fill with water to make the candy. All right, so here's our packets and our tray, and this is like sprinkles that go on top. I don't really care about those very much, but let's get started. So we're going to start with that light green one. Rip this open. And we'll put it right where the star is. Looks good. Now we're going to add a scoop of water. Oh, my kitty cat is back. You guys see him? He's got a front row view. As long as he's good, he can watch. All right, so now we got to carefully fill this little thing. You would not believe how little this is, you guys. Careful. Woo! And then we're going to dump it in. There is one scoop. Next, we're going to take this tiny little spoon and stir it up. Smells good already. I know it doesn't look like much, but it turns into something really good. So keep watching. Now, if you get one of these kits, you want to make sure that you keep stirring until it's all the way dissolved. That's important. Okay. Now we're going to add the dark green packet number 2. There we go. Right in. And then we give that a mix. Here comes some magic. You see that change? How cool is that? It's getting so foamy and like gooey and fluffy. Look at that, you guys. Oh my goodness. That looks so good. All right, so now we're going to repeat this for the other packet. All right, so next we're going to take packet number 1 we're going to open that up like that and get it in the little pot. Whew. You like the way that smells, Sully? Yeah, he does. Then we add our scoop of water. The hardest part for me, believe it or not. Woo! All right. Spoon. Stir that up. Wow, does that smell like grape? It's gonna change into strawberry somehow. So cool. There's a lot of different Naro Naro Nay kits out there. This one I haven't had in a long time. Those of you who remember when I had nothing but Japanese candy kit videos on my channel before I deleted them all, probably remember this one. That looks good to me. Now we're going to add packet 2. What do you think of that? See my loot crate over there, guys? It was a pretty awesome month. Had Rick and Morty in there. It's awesome. All right, now we're going to add in this packet. All right, here comes the magic. Oh, how cool. Whoa, that looks so good. I wish you guys could smell this. You know what? There's 2 of these. This would be perfect. I think I'm going to give a kit, if they want it, to Marissa and Caden. And I think that they would really enjoy this. Look at that, you guys. What do you think? The cat approves. Now, if you guys want to see the actual like sprinkly topping stuff, I'll open that up. I don't think you can see in there, can you? Yeah, look at that. It's kind of like crunchy, and for me, I think it really ruins the texture of the candy. So I don't put it all in. I'm gonna get this everywhere. There. Super cute. But the texture's not great with the little sprinkles. So in the end, I did decide to add the fizzy to it, the little sprinkles. It makes it a lot more like soda, and it is so good. So if you guys are watching, Marissa and Caden, if you want one of these, it's yours. How could I not share? I will bring it in tomorrow. It is delicious. Hope you've liked my video. Bye for now.